Hey guys, do you enjoy the game Offroad Outlaws? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version that works on iOS and Android. It gives us unlimited money, as you can see. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what you need to do, guys, go to your browser and just go onto this site. It's called zoomods.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's a really unique place to be because they have tons of modded apps, as you can see. So go to the search bar, guys, and just type in Offroad Outlaws, and as you can see, there's the Offroad Outlaws mod. So I'm going to press on it and it's going to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, guys, there is going to be one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do. So let's just wait for this to load. I mean, this is super insane, guys, and it's totally updated and everything. So yeah, Offroad Outlaws is a fun game, but unfortunately there's a lot of people that just associate it with like buying stuff, but you don't have to buy anything. So I'm going to show you guys how to get everything for free. So as you can see, it says Offroad Outlaws mod installer. Please install 2 apps to automatically install the mod. So we need to download 2 of these apps. They're all from the App Store and they're 100% free. Now the reason people mess up is because they don't actually read the instructions. So Alibaba says down and run for 30 seconds. Tester app says install and reach valid personal information. And you might see different apps than me. That's 100% fine. Just press on the app and it's going to redirect you to the App Store. I don't know why that one glitched out. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. But as you can see, it just brings you to the App Store. I did the text now one, but yeah, it's totally worth it if you play Offroad Outlaws on the regular, because as you can see, I'm super rich. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy. I mean, look at my Offroad Outlaws account. Oh my gosh, guys. So yes, this is so wild. And it fully works on all devices. So if you guys are poor on Offroad Outlaws, be sure to try us out because it is updated. It's time to take back the Offroad Outlaws community. We're going to hop in here and we're going to show everyone how to get rich in Offroad Outlaws. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And peace out, guys, because it fully works and it is super wild, bro. I'm coming for all those Offroad Outlaws like webmasters.